All right, folks, again, out here getting ready for the FAU Owls. Want to thank all the amazing people out here from the school district of Palm Beach County. Where y'all at out there? Make some noise.
We're here today celebrating our school district employees. We've invited teachers, operations division workers, and other district employees out to enjoy a tailgate and an FAU football game.
We wanted to make sure that we give opportunities to recognize and to show appreciation for our employees.
We're definitely like a big family. We all help each other out when we can. We support each other. We look for ways to help improve each other's lives. And that's what we're here for, just to make sure that we are socializing and showing appreciation for each other.
Verbal Q, our barbecue folks, thank you for cooking everything up. The Education Foundation of Palm Beach County, and of course United Healthcare. I want to thank them for being a sponsor and for employing me.
We want to recognize our employees and show some appreciation for them. A lot of them prepare for the school year all summer long, and then those who had the summer off, coming back and making sure our students are welcome.
Our teachers, our school bus drivers, our cafeteria workers, our maintenance people work so hard to take care of our students and make sure that they get the best public education possible. So we are so thankful and we are so happy to be out here today and be able to show them our appreciation.